esdeekid type beats are everywhere right now. Some people call it underground, some people call it jerk, and that's what my dad calls me. But what happens when you take something that's trending and mix it with something unexpected, like Detroit style beats? I just had this random idea today, and there's only one way to find out if it works or not, and that's by trying it. So let's see. And yo, real quick, I just launched a brand new website where you can get all my kits, courses, and bundles, and to celebrate, you can get 50% off everything with the code Cactus until the 17th of February, and that includes my latest bundle Pyroverse and my Neuroveil Serum 2 pack, which are both perfect for esdeekid type beats. So just head to jcactus.com or click the link in the description before the sale ends. Now let's get straight into it. Okay, so the reason I think this might work is because a lot of jerk style beats are made at around 195, which is similar to Detroit because people make that at around 100 BPM or 200 if you're working in double time. So my idea is I want to create a jerk style melody, maybe something repetitive to get that Detroit influence, and then have a couple different patterns, one for that jerk drum bounce, one for Detroit, and then maybe something that overlaps the two of them. We'll see how it goes anyway. Let's pull up Serum 2. We're going to go to my Neuroveil bank. This one might work. Just want to get the end sounding different. I might actually turn the piano off. Just have something darker like this. And then I'm just going to play around with the velocity. Let's pull up something like a pad. I've been using this Ghost Pulses one a lot. Then let's pull up a piano. Let's try something that has a bit of a vintage tone like the Golden Age one. Let's bring the bass notes down. Yeah, I'm feeling this one already. And with the notes, I'm just going to bring some of them off the grid a bit to keep it more human. And if you're wondering why I changed the velocity like that, listen to how it would sound if it was all the same. Sounds alright, but way more robotic compared to this. Sounds like someone's actually playing it. Just gonna take some of the lows out the pad. Build up some of the highs too. Let's got some halftime on the pad as well. And I've just brought it up an octave. Okay, next up, I'm hearing some type of art. And Neuroveil has some really good presets for it. Some that I've been using a lot recently too. And with these, I just like to carry the root note. Like, listen to that. The preset's crazy. That's hard. Alright, let's pull up something different now. I'm thinking Electra X, because I want to layer that pad with something to give it more synth vibes. Alright, this one sounded crazy. I feel like I'm adding halftime to everything, but I'm feeling it on this pad too. Blends in a bit more. You know what, let's try pitching this up. Maybe this art doesn't really work with it now. That one could do. Yeah, let's use this one instead. So I'd probably have one pattern like that, and then in the second half, I definitely want to pitch the keys up an octave. Yeah. I think I want to add some effects to the keys though. Yeah, some delay like that. And then for the reverb, let's use the Bright Hole preset. Alright, next up I want to add some strings, and I'm thinking just one note that can play throughout the hook. This is just going to add more energy. I'm using the Orchestra Complete because I really like these strings, but you could use something like Expand 2, some presets in Serum. It's just going to be that one note. It's an easy way to separate the hook. Then for a verse, I'm thinking we could drop into this and then build it up here. Okay, I'm just going to add a compressor. I just want about 3 dB reduction. This is one of my favorites to use right now. Then just a bit of tape saturation to tie it all together. Alright, the melody's like 90% there. I just want to add a couple accents or textures. So for the texture layer, I'm just going to copy the same MIDI in, but I'm going to use the guitar this time. So without any effects, it sounds like this. Just really simple, but I just wanted to create some texture out of it. So I'm adding halftime. Let's use 4 times, and then we can throw on fragments, and also we'll pitch it up an octave before halftime. Then we can just find an effect that works. Maybe this will bring the grains down. Yeah, that could be the one. Let's bring this back to half though. Some delay as well. Now we can render this. I might add an accent at some point, but for now, I think we could get the drums in. So I'm thinking we start with that jerk snare bounce and then add some Detroit influence. Of course, we're going to go to my latest Pyro Reverse trap bundle, which has over 1,000 sounds. Everything from drums to loops, midis, one-shots and more. And right now it's 50% off with code Cactus. So just click the link in the description. Go to the drum kit, snares, and then I really like using this deep snare. Once. I was going to use this snare for the Detroit section, but we can try it with this part. Let's grab another snare like this. I think just that one. Then at one point I think we can layer that snare with this clap. Grab some perks as well. And then I'm just grabbing some other sounds I like. Yeah, maybe something like this too. Right, let's grab a counter snare. Let's copy that. And then definitely some open hats. So just following that snare pattern. And then I think a second one. Yeah, let's add this reverse one. There we go. I'm thinking this broken one as well. With some I like to add in the playlist because I can control the length a bit easier. Maybe one more. Now I'm thinking I definitely need that Detroit 808 somewhere, but for this jerk section I just want a standard 808 with a lot of distortion, and I might even just leave it on one note. Something like this connection one. Just need to change the envelope. But if you didn't know, now you can create presets in FL Studio, which saves so much time. It's just bringing everything down except for the hold, and then you can save that as your own. Maybe in the second half we could do something a bit different. Yeah, and then after this, we can swap it for the Detroit 808. If you have my Neurovale Serum 2 pack, you can actually use the Detroit 808 within that, and you can see exactly how I designed it from scratch. So I have a couple ones you can use. Or if you prefer one shots, just drag this in. That actually sounds hard. Maybe you can just go from that single one to the Detroit, swap it around like this. Then for more Detroit influence, we've got to have the stomp. Of course, we need a triangle in there too. Okay, this section sounded crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and split the drums. I might just add one more part where a hi-hat comes in instead of the snare, but we'll see. Take out this snare as well. We could start with every two-step. So I'm thinking we could alternate between this clap and then that Detroit snare. So I'm thinking in the hook section, we can leave that jerk snare playing all the way through. Then in the verses, we'll alternate. So have it playing here and then the Detroit hats, but we're going to take a few perks away. I feel like that way we get a nice blend of the jerk and Detroit styles. All right, I need a transition, so I'm going to add my signature sound. Then we're just going to cut a few drums. Then we can just cut a couple drums right at the end. Let's grab the melody bus and we'll automate the volume, copy this value. Then at the start of the verse, I'm just going to add that jerk influence by muting it, but only at the end here. Same again here. Last change I'm going to make is just this roll with the 8-way. I think that's it. So let's have a listen from the beginning. Straight away, man, when you hear that melody, you know what the vibe's going to be like.
Cactus.
Yeah, that drop sounded wild. So we're coming into the verse. Just got the melody muted. Now we get that Detroit style. So this part completely switches it with the fast hats. And I hope you guys are feeling this one. Let me know if you like the combination in the comments. And if you want 50% off all my kits, just hit the link in the description.